This tutorial is specially for freshers. We are going to create fake 3D animation for coin, and also we are creating a bouncing animation for coin without using any third party plugin in this tutorial, or we are not using any 3D layer also in After Effects. So let's start it. First of all, I am going to choose my ellipse shape tool, and let's draw an ellipse over here by pressing shift. Now let's align into the center of the composition, and let's make a scale size little bit smaller, something like this. I'm just going to make a value something like 80 over here. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to open the position property of that also, and let's change the layer name to the front coin, and that's good. And I'm going to change the label for that. I'm making the this color. Now what I have to do, jump onto the 0 number frame, give the key onto the position and scale property. Let's jump for the 15 frame. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we are onto the 15 frame. Give key again over there. Let's jump again a page down, and 1 2 3 7 frame, and give the key over here again. Okay, for scale we don't need the middle key, so I'm just going to make it a delete. And the positions middle key, I'm going to change the value something like over here. That's good enough. And for the 0 number frame into the position, I'm going to change the value something like over here also. So that's done. Now what I will do, I'm just going to select this position. Okay, one more thing we have to change. So I'm just coming over here, and let's jump for the 1 2 3 and 4 frame, and apply the key over there also. And this third key, I'm going to change the y-axis value is 550. So that is good enough. So now what I will, I'm just selecting the position property, right click and separate the dimensions from over here. Okay, now let's select all the key first of all, and I press control, so it is going to be normal linear keys. Now select the Y positions, all keys, jump into the graph editor. I am into the edit value graph. If you are not seeing such kind of graph, right click in your time panel and select this edit value graph from over here. Now select this key, press Alt and drag the tangent something like this. Now select the second key and drag the tangent something like this, and then press again Shift and drag the tangent almost like this one. And for this, let's press Alt and drag tangent almost something like this. Okay, I have changed the language. Okay, now let's make it a little bit zoom and press Control and Control Z, and let's press Alt and break this tangent something like over here. Okay, so this will give us a beautiful bounce animation for our coin. So you can see that we have converted graph something like this one. Okay, I have to change a little bit inside this. Let's make it a little bit zoom and change the handle something. Let's press a shift something like this one. Okay, that's done. And now let's play the animation for this much. Okay, and just press the B given over here, and let's place the animation. Okay, we haven't changed the scale value over here. So at the start, I am going to make the scale value about 10. Now select the keys for the scale property, jump into the graph editor, press Alt and drag something tangent like this one. And let's change this and drag the Alt, press Alt and drag something like this. Okay, so now let's play this one. So you can see that we have beautiful and amazing bouncy animation of our coin without any third party plugin. Now let's make it a fake 3D. So what I will do, I am just going to select this layer and make a duplicate copy of this, take it down from the front copy. Now let's select and give the name as a back coin. So just let's change it something like this. That's good enough. Now let's open this one over here. Okay, let's open the position property. That from the front coin, I'm just going to remove the X position values, and here I'm going to delete this middle key and this last key for the X position. And at the start, I'm going to change the position almost like 935 something like this, and let's select these keys over here for the x-axis. Okay, jump into the graph editor. We are again into the edit value graph. Now press Alt and drag something like over here. Now let us select this one, press Alt and drag something like almost over here. Okay, now let's see animation. Okay, we have to change the shade for the back, so I'm going to select over here, and let's change the shade something like this. Okay, that's good enough. And I think I have to change the value for this 935 is too much, so let's make it a light 50. And now let's play these animations. So you can see that we have our fake 3D coin animation already generated. Now bounce animation already we have generated, but let's apply the Indian rupees icon over there. And for that, what we have to do, first of all, let's make the scale size, and I'm going to change the color for that. Let's make the scale size little bit down over here. Okay, that's good enough for us. Okay, man, this nice. And now you have your cursor should be the out of the all the keys. And now let's parent this with our front coin layer. And now let's play our final animation for 3D fake coin animation and fake 3D coin bounce animation. So that is looking really amazing, simple and easy. We have generated with the idea of graph and two layers which allow us to generate a fake 3D coin animation and bounce animation. So hope you learn something new and amazing. Freshers, to give a hit on like button, share button, subscribe button, and also comment how much you like this tutorial. See you next time. Goodbye.